Hello and welcome. This is the first video in a series which I'm going to be going through every single question in the November 17 Paper 1 Edexcel Higher GCSE Maths Past Paper, one question at a time. I'll put it into a playlist at the end once I'm done, and then you can watch every single question topic by topic at the end when I'm finished. Okay, so let's start with the first question without further ado. So it says, write 36 as a product of its prime factors. The way we do this is always just draw a tree diagram. So we're going to start with 36 and see what kind of ways we can split 36 into. So just off the top of my head, 36 can be split into 2 and 18 because 2 times 18 is 36. Then we can circle the prime number, which is 2. Obviously, we can still split 18 up, so I'm going to split that into 2 and 9. Once again, circling the prime number. And finally, 9 is not an even number, but it's going to be split into a 3 and another 3, which, by the way, are both prime. So we circle both of them, and that is the end of our tree diagram. Okay, did I say tree diagram? I meant to say factor tree. So let's just take this to the side, just so we have more space on the right-hand side. We now know that 36 is equal to the product of all of these prime numbers. So 36 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And if you wrote this on your answer line, you would get full marks in this exam. However, I do want to show you a nicer way to write this. Because we have two 2's and they're being multiplied by each other, we can say this is the same as 2 squared. And in the same way, we have two 3's. Therefore, we're going to write this out as multiplied by 3 and squared, like that. This is something we call index form. Some exams actually explicitly ask you to write your answer in terms of, not in terms of, they basically ask you to write it in index form. This question did not ask you to do that, so both are just as correct as each other.